In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set importance for an email in Outlook. This is a simple feature, but it can be very useful when you need to make sure your message stands out in someone's inbox. Marking an email as high importance helps signal that the message should be noticed right away, especially for time-sensitive communication. Let's walk through exactly how to do it in Outlook. First, go to Mail in Outlook. This will take you to your main email area where you can view your inbox and create new messages. If you're already signed in, you should be able to access this section directly from the Outlook interface. Once you're in the Mail section, click on New. This opens a fresh message window so you can start composing the email you want to send. If your version of Outlook gives you a few options after clicking New, don't worry. That just means Outlook is asking what kind of item you want to create. From there, click on Mail. This makes sure you're opening a standard email draft rather than another type of Outlook item. After selecting it, your new email composition window should appear, ready for you to enter the recipient, subject line, and message. Now, look for the Tags section in the message toolbar. In that section, click on High Importance. This marks your email as important before you send it. In many versions of Outlook, this is shown with an exclamation mark icon, which is a quick visual cue that the message has been flagged with higher priority. After you click High Importance, you can continue writing your message as usual and send it when you're ready. The recipient will typically see that the email has been marked as important, which can help draw attention to it. As a quick tip, use this feature thoughtfully. High importance is best reserved for messages that are truly urgent or need immediate attention. If every message is marked important, the setting can lose its impact over time. And that's all it takes to set importance for an email in Outlook. Once you know where to find the option, it only takes a few seconds and can make an important difference in how your message is received.